Have you ever wondered how we come up with these airbrush acrylic beach scenes? In this video, we're going to go through step by step how to create your own cosmic oasis. All the supplies are going to be listed in the description below. And with that being said, go ahead and hit that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. That way you get notified each time we upload a video. And let's get straight into it. In this section of the video, we're going to be using three different shades of blue. The first one we're going to be using is a Laguna blue by Createx Colors. This is going to be the lightest of the three blue colors that we're going to use here. The second of the two is going to be Brite blue, or you can use a cerulean blue. All of the supplies are going to be listed in the description below, including a color list. The third of the three colors is going to be deep blue. And with that one, I'm going to mix in a couple of drops of black so it's really dark. And that way we can edge in the edges of the galaxy and cut in those clouds. A bonus tip for you guys. I took the air cap off and turned the air pressure up a bit, and I'm able to just create little clusters of stars with my airbrush. No toothbrush needed, no any extra reduction needed, just the same white paint that I'm using to create these clouds. You can do this too. I'm going to show you how here in just a second. Cutting in the clouds with some opaque white. It's reduced down 10 to 1, 10 to 2, 10 drops of reducer, 2 drops of paint. I've got the air pressure turned down pretty low so that I can work really close to the surface and it won't spider web. You'll want to play around with your air pressure to get this kind of dialed in right. But in this instance, I'm using approximately 15 pounds of pressure at my compressor. And then I also use an airbrush that has a MAC valve most of the time. This time I'm not. Doing a lot of trigger control, and you'll see me test off to the side and be picking off tip dry from the tip so that we can continue to have that really good flow. Let's get straight back to it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I'm going to be splitting this video up in two. The first half, we're going to focus on the sky and the galaxy. The second half, we're going to focus on the ocean and the waves and possibly a beach. I'm not really sure yet. We're going to figure that part out together. Maybe you guys can tap in the comments below and let me know what you'd like to see. Do you want to see a beach? Do you want to see um, all waves all the way through? What do you want to see? Let me know in the comments. Let's get back to it.